All your frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is going to be a 15-minute quick clean with me. Being that my schedule has gotten a little bit busier, I have to alter my cleaning routine so I can finish cleaning and be able to tackle everything else I have to do that day.
Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, thank you so much. I would like to welcome you to my channel. My name is Tamarika. I am a wife and mother of 3 boys, and on my channel you will find cleaning, organization, home decor, DIYs, and a little behind the scenes of some mom life. If this is something that you would enjoy, please hit that subscribe button and comment below so we can chat.
But I told you so.
I got so excited for decorating this fall, but sadly it's something that I will not be doing this year because everything I like is out of stock, or I order it and then they cancel my order because it's out of stock. So I'm just gonna wait for everything to go on sale, and I'm gonna stock up on all of the fall decor so I will be prepared next year. But if you're still in need of some fall decor inspiration, check out my girl EBONIE LEMAE and Ryan Michelle's video. I will link both of them down below because let me tell you, they came through with the fall decor, okay? It looks gorgeous. So go check them out, you guys. I think it's time to just get rid of the whole TV stand because the drawer would not stay put. I've done multiple things because I feel like, okay, well, maybe it's too much stuff in there. So I took stuff out, I fixed it. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it will not stay closed. If you have made it this far in the video, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out a lot, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you've enjoyed the video so far, please hit that subscribe button and comment below to introduce yourself.
Still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes, then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime, so if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for...
I would love to do a Q&A video pretty soon, so drop all your questions below. And if you're not following me on Instagram, head over there and follow me, and you can DM your questions there.
Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying or not, building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, in your head. So don't, please don't let them get in your head, in your head. Fight another day, I know it's worth it. We're gold inside the rust, so I know you feel it.
And that is it, you guys. I hope this video gave you some motivation to clean your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.